is the market of Asian Food Festival, which is in Philadelphia. So we are here to check the amazing food from Asians. So this is their house cooking, and the people are coming up in here to enjoy their amazing quick food tasting and all. So this is how it looks like. So different kind of things over here, different toys and everything for everybody, like to their choices. And this is all like kind of juices and all the vegetables you can buy from here. So chalte hain. So now we are moving forward, and we already tasted so much over here, so much things. You can see our video. We're gonna upload after the next of this video, so you can see like how we enjoyed the foods over here. Some of the foods of our likes we enjoyed, and this is an amazing food festival with different kind of varieties of food, cultures and things. So, and I'm here just to give you a quick review of this live. So I was trying to do this live, but it was not possible over here. Maybe some of internet connection problems, but I'm going to give you the quick review of this amazing food festival, which is in Philadelphia. And it starts from July to October in Philadelphia, only Saturday and Sundays. And you can come over here anytime till 10 from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So let me show you the quick review of this. We give like all counters over here, different kind of foods, dresses, cultures, juices, and all kind of like people over here from Cambodia, Thailand, and so many varieties of, you can see. So if you are looking for some kind of like different quick lunches, different, you want to taste some Asian foods, you can come over here. And this is a quick review I'm giving you. And there is some cook out area also. You can come over here also to cook if you want to cook by yourself, if you want to sell. Or then I'm going to give you some more things over here. We are moving together. Why are you going backside? Okay, that side. Okay, we are good. So this was the full view of this market area. This only happens in weekends from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. every week. Only weekly this market opens here. They come over here to sell their stuff, and also they have their different kind of varieties of things. So I'm giving you just a quick review of this after this things. So this is, I think we are going out this section. Then we started from here. This was our day at Asian Food Festival over here. We are ending up in here, and we will leave after that. And this is like we enjoyed our festival over here, and I want to say bye to all of you from here. So this was amazing experience over here. So I enjoyed it, and with my family, and they are leaving because of like they were very tired. So I'm gonna turn off here my vlog, and you can check out and subscribe to our channel, which is Indul Vlogs. Now we are leaving. Okay. So see you again with the new vlog, and we enjoyed it here. We enjoyed the food and things. We bought it.